Hi guys, once again I just opened my air filters and yes, I found this thing was broken, and believe me, this piece of plastic had gone inside my throttle body and it got stuck, so I thought it got damaged and I had ordered for a new throttle body also, seriously. But good part, I had it cancelled, and now what I have done is seems this is required because the oil from the it has a small piece of pipe or a inlet where the excess oil is pumped through this, and this gets stored here and it goes back the same way it has come. Okay, this is where the pipe oil is thrown inside, and this is where the oil comes out. I know why is this given in an air filter box, I have no clue, but seems it is supposed to be there. And for now I have used a Feviquick over this plastic so that it doesn't break and again goes inside, and over which I've also used a M seal, and again I'll be applying a Feviquick over this so that again this M seal doesn't go inside. And yes, I think my air filter is fine, hopefully. With 2-3 ants roaming around, doesn't matter, I'll clean it again anyway. Other than that, yes, my work here is done. It's well sealed compared to the last video which I was showing you, where I was planning to seal it with this, and I had sealed it. I don't know how well it was sealed, but now it is very clear. It is sealed very much, very good. Silicone gasket making is too good. You can use it anabone, you can use it anywhere. And I'll be cleaning it and I'll be fixing my bike by today evening, hopefully. Chalo, see you guys.